It's time for Road Noise, your weekly look at the automotive world and all the content from the Edmunds editorial team that you may have missed. I'm Will Kaufman.
I'm Alistair Weaver.
And this week, our editorial team is embarking on an epic odyssey in the all-new redesigned RAV4.
If you didn't know, the RAV4 is actually the best-selling vehicle in the nation that's not a full-size pickup truck. So what we wanted to see was, how is the RAV4 actually going to handle the nation? So we're going to drive across all 48 states, and we're going to do it actually pretty quickly.
In just 7 days. Will the car make it?
Yes, it will. It's a Toyota. It will make it.
Will we make it?
Depends on who's driving. You driving?
I'm driving. You can find out, follow along with live updates in our Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook using hashtag RAV48States. And make sure to check in with Edmunds.com/RoadNoise for tri-daily updates.
Chevy just revealed the heavy-duty version of the all-new Silverado. There's going to be a new gasoline engine and a new turbo diesel V8 that Chevy says is going to produce more than 900 pound-feet of torque.
It's also got a striking new look that Chevy thinks is just what heavy-duty truck buyers want.
You know, I saw it. I actually like the look. I think it's super aggressive. The truck looks mean. It looks like it wants to fight somebody. I dig it. I'm all over that.
It does look like a Transformer with roid rage. However you think it looks, make sure to check out our full first look article for all the details. We also had a chance to get behind the wheel of Audi's new electric SUV, the e-tron. We thought the e-tron looked really promising when we got our first glimpse of it back in September, but how does it work on the road? You can read our full first drive article to find out, or wait until next week for the video. This week on the Detour, a very special The More You Know edition. Police in San Francisco had to force a Tesla Model S to come to a stop after a 7-mile chase because the allegedly intoxicated driver appeared to be asleep behind the wheel while the car ran on autopilot.
The Tesla Model S is not your designated driver. The more you know. Is there a way to actually avoid depreciation?
Yeah, sure. You buy a Ferrari 250 GTO. Those appreciate like crazy.
For regular people, the answer is no. You really can't avoid depreciation. This week, our tips and advice team gives you a method to avoid the worst depreciation. If you're buying a used car and you're willing to take a few steps, we can help you save thousands of dollars.
Coming up next week, Kurt Niebuhr drove the next generation Porsche Macan. You can watch that video on Monday.
And don't forget to follow us as we drive the all-new 2019 Toyota RAV4 through all 48 states.
That's hashtag RAV48States. That'll do it for this week's Road Noise. Subscribe here for more videos, and don't forget to check out Edmunds.com/RoadNoise for the full story.
And I'm Alistair Weaver.